Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a project font page or cover page in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Microsoft Word and I'm going to use a template from Microsoft Word to create a cover page to make the process faster. So here I'm going to go to more templates and I'm going to give you keywords to search for the project font page. So here you can add cover page like this, and you can click enter on your keyboard, and make sure you have internet connection because we can only access the templates with internet. And you can choose a cover page that you like, and for me I'm just going to choose this one. Let's say I'm going to create a report, so I'm going to use this one. But wait, now now it has been downloaded, and here we can replace the image with our own image, and we can change the text. For example, I'm going to replace it with this project. Okay, like this, and here you can add the description, and whoa, you will get this template as well. But if you only need the cover, you can delete the rest of it. I'm just going to delete the unnecessary things. Okay, I just need the cover. Okay, and you can change the color if you want. Okay guys, and basically that's how we can create a project font page or cover page in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.